Let's have a pretty freaking massive beer. What? Going down, people of the world. My name is Redbeard, and this is yet another beer review. Thanks a bunch for joining me. Smash thumbs up in the face, and let's get into it, shall we? For the beer of the today, we got something pretty freaking special. Sawdust City released their newest variation of Titania. This is Long Dark Voyage to Uranus, bourbon barrel aged in some Kentucky bourbon barrels for, I believe, 6 months. Comes in at 11.9% ABV. Sawdust, of course, out of Gravenhurst, Ontario. If you're headed north or south on Highway 11, going through Gravenhurst, and you don't stop at this brewery, then you failed at life. Let's crack this open. Not even waiting. I have had 3, maybe 4 different variants of this beer, and they have all been kind of astonishing. Give this all the aggression, get a little bit of head on there. It's get that cascade. Ooh, that ended up being a pretty good pour. Nice. I don't have a light sitting by, but I got my phone here, I guess. There's no point. There's no point at all. Beer, light, light gone. Light there, light gone. Yeah. This beer just sucks the light away. Black hole beer. I can't even describe. So much chocolate coming off this beer. And that's my nose right in the head. That's not going to dissipate for a minute. But I don't care. Let's give her a shot. Holy crap. It's so chocolatey. There's like some coffee hints and going on and the roasty characteristics. But just the chocolatey. Like some vanilla, maybe caramelly stuff going on too. This is a special beer. I bought 2 of these. Yeah. I'm going to have to try very hard to not drink the other one right away. I think Greg might be sending one to Nick, so we might do a beer analysis on one. I'm going to hold on to it for as long as I can. But I don't want to. I don't want to at all. That is like the most alcohol-free 11.9% beer I've ever had in my life. That is terrifyingly smooth. Like, zero inkling of a hint of a thought of there being high ABV in this stuff. And the mouthfeel is very thick. Oh, that is absolutely fantastic. Like, beer of the year, maybe? Trying to think what else I've had this year that's blown my mind. I don't know. This is really, really, really phenomenal. Stag Junior barrels? Like, this is the information Sawdust is giving you now. That's it. That's all you get. And a write-up that says, after one of his many voyages to Earth, Toftorg Golshop, the ruler of the Third Empire of Uranus, returned home with an abundance of his beloved long dark voyage to Uranus Stout. he decided to store his bounty in wood barrels for future consumption. During a recent vacation on Uranus's largest moon, Titania, Toftborg brought some of that barrel-aged stout with him. On one fine night, upon opening it, he found the beer had miraculously matured into a ludicrously luscious liquid, oozing with velvety vanilla and calming coconut. The finish was satisfyingly smooth. Toftborg relaxed, content that his beloved stout had been transformed into his midsummer's night's dream. Oh, sorry, more ingredient right there. It contains barley. Not impressed with that. September something. That's a blurry mess. But, yeah. I'm going 10. I'd give it a 10.5, but ingredients are missing. This is astonishing. Wow. Untapped. Says something. 4.29. 35 ratings overall. 9 months. It says there. I'm not really getting coconut though. I'm not personally, but it doesn't matter. I'm fine with it. If you've had the beer, let me know in the comments down below what your thoughts are, because we're done. Like if you liked, dislike if you dislike. Choice is yours. Subscribe, bell notification, all that fun shit. I'll be back with something like this pretty freaking soon. Peace out. I should have bought like a 6-pack. I can't recall the price, but they weren't cheap. But should have bought a 6-pack.